Being able to go ahead and schedule your gaming content for your social media platforms ahead of time is the easiest way to not only be consistent in your posting, but also to be able to grow your social platforms, grow your views on your stream, and grow your community. So today I'm going to share with you a tool that I use consistently to be able to go ahead and schedule my social media posts. That way I'm consistent in my content. Now there's two versions of this tool. There's going to be the free version, which it's okay. It allows you to be able to go ahead and post 2 times per month, which is not enough if you really want to grow. And then they have a paid plan, which is $9.99 per month, which I think it's well worth it for what you're able to do, because it's not only a content scheduler, you can even create videos and graphics directly on that tool. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the tool that I'm introducing you to is going to be Adobe Express. And today we're going to talk about specifically the content scheduler. So you can see here, the link is going to be in the description of this video. Now you can see here that it says free social media scheduler, and that is correct. But here's where it says get 2 scheduled posts per calendar month with the Adobe Express free plan. So again, you're able to go ahead and schedule 2 posts out of the month, which may be good enough for you. But again, if you truly want to be able to grow your stream and really have the impact that you want to be able to grow your viewership and grow your community, you need to level up your output to at least once a day or multiple times per week to be able to start seeing the results you're looking for, and that comes in the paid plan. But either way, I want to show you how to be able to utilize the tool so you can begin to be consistent in your content creation. So the very first thing that you're going to be able to see is that you're going to get access to a lot of templates. Again, you do not need to start from scratch. Of course, you most definitely can, but again, having this ability where they give you all these templates and options to be able to choose from to be able to create those graphics, you can see here that I can just hover over any one of these and then I'm able to go ahead and edit it. So I can click edit this template. It's going to go ahead and bring me here into the editor. And again, I can make all kinds of social graphics on here. I've made videos on showing you how to be able to go ahead and make a Twitch banner, how to make a profile picture. I'll put those videos in the link of the description, utilizing this same exact tool. And it's a tool I utilize to create a lot of my graphics. So again, you're going to be able to go ahead and edit everything that you want: fonts, photos, shapes, backgrounds, everything that you need. And if you want me to go deep and to make a tutorial video on how to utilize the editor inside of Adobe Express, leave me a comment below. But I want to go back to talk about the scheduler, because this is what you're here for, and this is why I believe it's the most crucial part of Adobe Express, allowing you to be able to do this. Now, very important to keep in mind is that you're able to edit a lot of this content on your mobile device. You don't even need access to an actual computer. So here it says plan and schedule social media posts. Whether you are a streamer looking to schedule Instagram posts for the month, or social media, trying to go across multiple platforms like TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all these platforms, you're able to schedule this content ahead of time. So let's take a look at how you can get started with the content scheduler. So the first thing is you want to go ahead and create the content. So this is where you either are going to utilize the editor tool to be able to go ahead and edit that content. You may already have the content edited directly on your mobile device. That's the first thing that you want to have in place, is the actual content. Then we'll go ahead and connect your social media platforms. So we'll select the platforms that you want to go ahead and post content to consistently. And then of course you got a plan to be able to execute on the plan, to be able to adjust and then make adjustments as needed. And then you're able to go ahead and preview what this post is going to look like before you put it out there. Then you can select the date and the time. This is by far the most important part of it, right? If I create content today for my stream, let's say I had a stream that I did about for 2-3 hours, had a whole bunch of gaming clips, but I don't want to post all those gaming clips at the same time. So I'm able to utilize this to take 5 clips, post them over the next 5 days, and then I can even select the time, which the time is super important, because if you know when your viewers are online, you're going to get more views on their content. So being able to schedule it, what if that time is 6 o'clock in the morning and you typically don't wake up at 9 a.m.? You're able to utilize this tool to be able to schedule that ahead of time. And that's a lot what I like to do, especially on my YouTube community posts. I sit down, spend about an hour, think about what it is that I want to talk to my community. I schedule those posts and they go out without me having to do anything. And this is why it's so powerful to have a tool like this. Okay. And then again, you're able to do so much. So here on this page, you're gonna get access to a whole bunch of videos that Adobe Express provides you, but I wanna go ahead and dive in to show you what this actually looks like. So once you've gone ahead and created your account, whether it be on the free plan or on the paid plan, again, I highly recommend you go with the paid plan. It's $9.99 per month. You can definitely find a way to be able to attain that, to be able to go ahead and truly invest in your stream, because I say it over and over again, streaming alone is not going to grow your stream. You're not going to get more viewers. You're not going to build a community. It takes creating content so people are out there finding you, and utilizing a tool like this takes some stress off of you, where you don't have to be posting every single day. You can take a Saturday, create 10 posts, and now you're covered for the next 10 days, right? So once you're inside of the scheduler, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to look just like a calendar, right? And so the first thing you're going to see here is on the left-hand side, you're going to see the availability to be able to connect these social accounts. So if you have a LinkedIn, if you have a Pinterest, you have a Facebook, most of the time as a streamer, the three big ones that you're going to utilize aside from YouTube is going to be Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And then the Adobe does have a TikTok video editor, which I went ahead and talked about in another video. I'll put that in the description of this video as well. So once you've gone ahead and connected your social account, so you'll select that, and you'll see here, okay, select the channels. Here's what's available, and then go ahead and select connect. That's going to go ahead and ask you to go ahead and get logged in. So if I were to connect my Twitter, it's going to go ahead and prompt me to authorize Adobe Express to have access to my Twitter account. And then I can go ahead and do that. So again, channel successfully connected, return to schedule. So you're going to see here that now it's connected, meaning that I can start scheduling posts on my Twitter to be able to go ahead and share out there. So now today is Saturday, November 26th. Let's say I want to set up a post for tomorrow to go out, but I'm going to set it for a time where I'm going to be at church. So I'm not going to be able to go ahead and post it. And so I'm going to have the ability to go ahead and add media. Now you're going to be able to go ahead and add graphics if you want, graphics you've created inside of Adobe Express, or you can go ahead and upload an image that you have. Again, you can do this directly from your mobile device. So I'm going to select the Stream Designs design here. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to go ahead and select Add to Post. So now you're going to see here that an image is now going to be available. Now I can come in here and type what I want to show up on Twitter. This is an Adobe Express demo. Right, so now I can have that caption was gonna show up on Twitter. I can then select the date, and remember, I wanted to set this for a date early in the morning, so I'm gonna say 7 a.m. and that's gonna allow you to be able to go ahead and say done. And now I can see here and say preview, and this is what it's gonna look like, right? It's gonna post this on my Twitter account at 7 a.m. tomorrow without me having to do anything, as long as I set it up now. So then I'll go ahead and hit schedule. And now you're going to see here, congratulations, you schedule your first post. If you need to change anything, you can go ahead and make those adjustments, right? So again, we have the ability to be able to now, I can come to Monday and I can go ahead and create a post for Monday. And I can do the same thing for Instagram and do the same thing for Facebook. So you can start to see how powerful this tool truly is to allow you to be super consistent in your content creation. So this is going to be the tool, fairly simple to be able to utilize. As long as you have the content, you're able to go ahead and utilize that tool. Now, if you want to learn how to be able to go ahead and start creating graphics directly inside of Adobe Express, go ahead and watch this video right here where I talk about all the tools that are available for you in Adobe Express to create content when it comes to editing videos, editing graphics, editing images, making banners, making logos, everything you need to level up your stream, whether it be on your stream, off your stream, or during your stream. You can use Adobe Express to really take your things to the next level. So go ahead and click that video right there where I break down deeper into what Adobe Express can do for you as a streamer and as a gaming content creator. I'll see you guys in the next video.